Hey, this is Aaron Nichols, and this video is going to serve as a quick refresher on how to use our databases to find either scholarly articles or popular magazine articles. So I'm going to go with the scholarly articles. First, we start off the library homepage, and we'll go into Article Databases by Subject. And from here, we'll go into Medicine and Health. Now, you'll remember in class I told you about using the federated search box up here. I advise you not to use it. I just want to remind you of that because your searches are going to be rather focused, and you might want to take advantage of some of the features that are available in the native interface of the database. So one of the sources I recommended for finding peer-reviewed articles is Medline by EBSCO. You can also select the PubMed version, but I find the EBSCO interface to be a little bit more user-friendly. And from here, it takes just a second or two for the EBSCO database to start grinding away. And here we go, slowly but surely. It usually works a little bit faster. And in class, I did a demonstration. I showed you how I believe I used my cardiovascular disease in red wine topic as an example. And red wine. So if I wanted to find out the effects that red wine has on cardiovascular disease, whether it's prevention or otherwise, these are the search terms I would come up with. I'm not going to use any of these limiters right now. I'll take a look at that. I'll revisit that if I need to. But I'm just going to do my search for now with my search terms. And here you can see I've got 122 results. If I want to narrow my search down, what I would recommend doing is going over here to the left to Subject, Major Heading, and then selecting, I'm going to hit Show More, and then selecting any relevant major headings that might help to narrow your search down. For instance, I might want wine analysis or cardiovascular disease prevention and control. Flavonoids, which are a key ingredient in red wine that help to prevent cardiovascular disease. I'm going to hit Update. And this is going to roll those three terms into my search. So I narrowed my list down to 50 results. And this is going to be, these articles are going to be very, very focused. And they're going to, I think, give me an excellent search result. So you can see here, article number 2 has PDF full text available, which is great. You can access the article just by clicking on the PDF full text. If I wanted to take a look at an article, or take a look at the record of an article, I can click into the full record. I can see I've got the name of the author, the name of the source, which is the journal title. I've got a number of subject headings that I can use to further narrow or expand my search. And then I've got the abstract, which is the summary of the article. Now in this case, the full text isn't available. So if I wanted the article, I'd hit Find It. And this is going to search all the databases that we subscribe to, which is well over 100, for the full text of the article. Now, if it was available in our databases, it would tell you which database it's available in. But in this case, no full text is available in electronic format. So I would either check the UWSP catalog to see if we have it, or if it wasn't available there, I'd simply click on the interlibrary loan form and send my request out. And interlibrary loans for journal articles typically only take a couple of business days. If I wanted to confirm that this article is a scholarly or peer-reviewed article, I'd simply click on this Ulrich's Periodical Directory link. And this is going to give me an indication as to whether or not it's scholarly or whether it's a consumer or popular magazine. Okay. So if we take a look over here under document type, this tells me that it's an academic / scholarly journal, and it also tells me that this article or journal is refereed, meaning it's peer-reviewed. So that gives me an indication. If it came from another source, say a consumer magazine, it would simply say consumer magazine. Well, that's the review. Thank you very much for listening. Thanks.